What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Square Fitness, and today I'm breaking down an exercise that's going to improve your upper back strength with an isometric hold. Key points of performance are just like the arch position or the arch hold. Want you to have your feet glued together. That's number one. We're trying to get as much upper back tension as possible. We've been working on these here with the chin tucked. And now all we're trying to do is get a little bit of that shoulder rotation and add in the PVC. So we're going palms up. I wanted to interrupt this tutorial, guys, to remind you to smash that subscribe button. I want you to think about glutes, chin to chest, trying to lock that rib cage down first, and then you can lift. What's gonna happen is, if you've got really stiff shoulders, it's gonna be hard to get in that position. But like always, use your breath as your own coach. On the inhale, can you raise your feet a little higher? On the exhale, can you turn your wrist out a little more and raise up your shoulder? Give that one a go. Keep training hard, and I'll see you in the next one.